Hello guys, welcome back to our channel LifeLiyo. In this video, I am going to discuss about installation of Python in our Windows as well as the installation of Jupyter notebook in our Windows. First one, installing Python IDLE in Windows. To install this one, first we have to go to the Python website and we have to download the file, that is executable file. So open Google and search for the Python download. Then you are going to get that first link as the download Python, that is https://www.python.org and /downloads. So if you click this one, then you are going to get the download section of the original Python developers. Here there will be the latest version for the Windows directly on the screen. But if you want to go into the older versions such as 3.9, 3.8, 3.6 like this, then you can go for the downloads. There you will find out that Windows, Mac OS, other platform, licensing, source code, everything. Now we are going for the Windows. So if you click on Windows, then all the releases, all the Python releases for Windows will be shown here. So based on their release dates. The better way is go for the direct Python latest Python 3 release, Python 3.10.4. Now after clicking that one, then you will get a screen like this. Or if you go from the directly there in the main page, it is fine. But if you want to go into the deeper section, what are the new features they have been added and what they have been deprecated, all these things will be mentioned here. Now, if you scroll down, you will find out the files part. There you will have the different types of options for downloading your Windows Python application for Windows. There the best one is the Windows installer 64-bit. That is recommended. If your machine is 32-bit, please choose that Windows installer 32-bit. Mine is the 64-bit. Simply I will click this one. So it will ask you to choose the path where you want to download. So simply I will go through the downloads and I will save. So already I have that one. So it shows me that do you want to replace it? No. Okay, fine. After downloading, go to your folder where you have stored. That is I have kept in the downloads. Now here I have the Python 3.10.4-AMD64. Double click on this, then it will give you the two options with a dialog box: install now and customize your location. I mean customize your installation, that is you can choose your features, you can choose your location, etc. But one more thing is add Python 3.102 path. This is the most important thing you have to remember. So please choose enable this one, because what is this path environment variable? This provides the security features, that is from where your program can access the files, from where you can store your files. All this stuff can be related with this path. Now if you want to, this is the default location automatically chosen by Python: C:users admin app data local programs Python 3.10. If you want to change this one, click on customize location. Then these are the features. Next, now it is asking me to customize the installation location. Now I will browse one. I will change it to this PC and I will go with the D drive. So I have a program files here. So here I will choose this one. Okay. PC D drive program files. Yes. I have chosen D drive program files. Then I can go back and check it here. D program files 86. This is the folder I want to install. Before that, please go through your command prompt and check whether the Python is already installed in your computer or not by using a small command called Python space hyphen version. So if you get anything like the output as Python space 3.10.4 like this, you are having a Python in your computer or laptop. If you get like this, Python was not found. So that means then you can install the thing what we are doing right now. Now, click on install now. So it will ask me is the permission? Yes. So it takes hardly 1 or 2 minutes to installation. It is adding the libraries and any modules we have, any packages, everything is going to be installed directly. So installation is going on. It's maximum it takes only 1 or 2 minutes of time. So it is going to install everything, bootstrap everything. So yes, setup was successful. Now if you try the same command now, Python hyphen version, then again we got that Python was not found. Why? Because our path is C users admin here, but we have stored our program, that is while installation we have given the installation location as the D drive. D drive program files 86. There we have created the our installation. Now look at here, Python is available here. Now I will change our path to this one. So to change the path, we have command cd, then the path, yes, d colon. Now I will check it out, Python hyphen version. Look at here, Python 3.10.4. So here this is the path where our respective Python has been installed. Now after that, you can search for the directly as Python. Then you will find out that screen like this. So this is a command prompt like structure for the Python. So you can execute your commands, simple commands here, that is like REPL commands. So this is a normal one. So x equal to 10, print of x. Now if you want to move for the graphical user interface, then again search for the Python, then you will find out that idle. So this idle gives us the option for a graphical user interface like this. So if you want to do that a equal to 10, then print of a. We got the 10. So this is the installation of the Python in our computer. Next, installing Jupyter Notebook. To install Jupyter Notebook, the first and foremost criteria is our computer must and should have the Python previously installed. Otherwise, it is not going to consider the installation. So, we already installed the Python right now itself. Doing that one, what I am going to do is I have to use a command called command prompt. So we are already in the program files. So I am going to change my installation to the scripts. So I have opened the folder. There I want to install, that is pip install Jupyter. So it will take some time for collecting everything and have to be installed in our respective computer. So for doing this one, it takes nearly 1 to 2 minutes based on our internet speed. Look at here, running setup Python install for Tornado, done. Yes. Now to check whether the Jupyter has been installed or not, first try to open a notebook, that is Jupyter space Jupyter space notebook. Whenever you enter this one, then the browser will be open for you. Then it is going to show the all the files which you have in that respective scripts folder. Now to write or to create any Python 3 based kernel, then you have to go to the new and then select the Python 3. That's it. A Python kernel has been opened for you. Now let us take that a equal to 10. So I have taken the a equal to 10, and if I want to print the a value, print of a. Then I have to click on run. Look at here. It has been printed. If I want to take the b equal to 20, print of b is comma b. So if I run, look at it, b is 20. So after that, if you want to save this one, you have an icon called save and checkpoint, or you can go to the file and you can create a save as. That is, if you click on save as, then it asks you to your path where you want to save your Jupyter notebook. Now after that, if you go for the Jupyter without saving this one, then you can see your respective files. That is, in the previous one we have created the untitled IPYNB. Now if you click on logout, here you are not going to get anything here. That is, your command prompt is not going to terminate the Jupyter notebook running. Then how can we come back to the command prompt? Simply click on quit. Now look at here, your command prompt came to the previous existing path. So this is installation of Python IDLE and Jupyter notebook in our Windows. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel LifeLiyo. Thank you everyone.